Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you a heartwarming tale from the land of New Zealand, where a remarkable bird species is captivating the hearts of people around the globe. Deep in the southern islands of New Zealand, a rare and intriguing bird, the kakapo, has been making headlines. This nocturnal and flightless parrot, with its distinctive gentlemanly face and unusual mating rituals, has been entertaining and educating thousands of people through a live stream of its breeding season. The story begins on a predator-free island near Fiordland National Park, where a team of dedicated conservationists has been working tirelessly to recover the kakapo population. With only 51 birds remaining in the wild by the 1900s, the species was on the brink of extinction. However, thanks to a concerted effort, the population has grown to 236 birds, including 83 breeding-age females. This season, something remarkable is happening. A bumper crop of rimu tree berries, the kakapo's primary food source, has triggered a record-breaking breeding season. With 78 nests, 247 eggs laid, and 57 chicks hatched so far, the birds are on track to meet a milestone. Dr. Andrew Digby, the science advisor for kakapo, describes this as a turning point in the species recovery, marking a shift from individual recovery to population recovery. As we tune into the live stream, we're introduced to Rakiura, a devoted mother kakapo who has already had 3 chicks hatch. Her popularity is undeniable, with over 100 people watching her every move, including her hours-long sleep sessions. The chat forum attached to the livestream is filled with comments from fans around the world, congratulating Rakiura on her new chicks and offering name suggestions. What's striking about this story is the emotional connection people are forming with these birds. One viewer writes, "This site is my lovely distraction from all the terrible things happening in the world around us." Another fan tearfully expresses their excitement knowing how fragile this species is. It's clear that the kakapo has become an ambassador for the natural world, inspiring people to care about and invest in its conservation. As we continue to follow Rakiura's journey and the progress of the kakapo breeding season, we're reminded of the power of storytelling and the impact it can have on our relationship with the environment. By sharing the lives of these extraordinary birds, we're fostering a sense of wonder, curiosity, and responsibility for the world around us. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. Today we're taking a fascinating journey through time and across continents to uncover the secrets of an ancient trade route that stretched over 300 miles. Imagine a network of pathways, traversing deserts, highlands, and rainforests, all connected by the vibrant feathers of Amazonian macaw parrots. In the Peruvian Amazon, these stunning birds are a common sight, their red and green plumage glistening in the sunlight as they flit between the trees. But what's remarkable is that hundreds of years ago, humans transported these very same species across the Andes Mountains to coastal Peru, a journey of over 300 miles. A team of researchers from around the world has been studying the ancient DNA of parrot feathers found at Pachacamac, a major religious center on the central coast of Peru. By combining ancient DNA sequencing, isotope chemistry, and computational landscape modeling, they've been able to trace the journey of these birds across the landscape. It's a story of human ingenuity and logistical planning, as people captured these parrots in the lowland rainforest, carried them over high mountain passes, and kept them alive on the coast long enough for them to grow new feathers. The genomic analysis revealed that the feathers belonged to 4 Amazonian parrot species, all native to rainforest habitats hundreds of miles away from Peru's Pacific coast. But what's even more astonishing is that the researchers found evidence of a sophisticated exchange network with potential trans-Andean corridors and river routes used to transport the birds. The parrots were likely traded and prized for their vibrant feathers, which held deep cultural value across pre-Hispanic societies and were used in rituals and high-status burials. This discovery challenges long-held assumptions that pre-Inca societies were isolated or fragmented. Instead, we see evidence of organized exchange, ecological knowledge, and logistical planning that connected vastly different environments long before imperial roads formalized these connections. As we continue to explore the natural world and uncover its secrets, we're reminded of the complex and fascinating relationships between humans and the environment. The story of these ancient parrots is a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring connection with the natural world. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, we find ourselves on a remote island nestled in the Gulf of Guinea, off the coast of West Africa. This enchanting place is called Principe, a mere 20 miles long, yet bursting with an incredible array of unique flora and fauna that have earned it the nickname African Galapagos. Principe's story is one of discovery. From its uninhabited beginnings to the arrival of Portuguese navigators in 1471. The island's rainforests are a treasure trove of biodiversity, with giant land snails and crabs among the top predators, and new species still being discovered today. However, like many such ecosystems, Principe faced challenges, including deforestation and the decline of its cacao plantation economy after independence in 1975. But then, something remarkable happened. A South African billionaire named Mark Shuttleworth arrived on the island with a vision not just to build a house, but to embark on a philanthropic mission. He sought to fund sustainable development that would protect and improve the environment rather than exploiting it. This dream has taken shape to the Fire Foundations project, where villagers are rewarded for following an environmental protection code with a quarterly dividend. The impact is already being felt, with nearly 3,000 residents joining the program, more than 60% of the adult population. The first payment has been made, and it's not just about the money, it's about transforming lives and preserving nature. From funding school improvements to organizing the cacao business and providing financial advice, the project aims to empower the local community as stewards of their precious environment. One of the most fascinating aspects of this story is how individuals are finding new opportunities. Yordane dos Santos, for example, has turned his years of foraging in the forest into a career as a wildlife guide, leading scientific expeditions and discovering new species. His story highlights not just the fragility of this ecosystem, but also the potential for positive change when we work together. As we reflect on Principe's unique social experiment, we're reminded that even the smallest actions can have a profound impact on our planet. The hope is that if this project succeeds, it could serve as a model for protecting other irreplaceable ecosystems around the world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.